Once again, welcome back to the video series on Math Revision Main Meticulous. Today we will see some questions from board papers, the previous year board papers. Revision, as the name suggests, means looking back over previously learned information, ensuring that it is clear and fresh in the mind. 5 questions per day from selected topic is presented at this video series. The step-in answers are supported by the ideas used for getting the answer. We will go for some questions from board papers. One question from each topic we will discuss today. Let us start with one question from integration, that is from CBSE 2018 question paper. Integral 2 cos x by 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin square x dx. By seeing the question itself, you might have guessed that it can be done by means of substitution because the differentiation of sin x is in the numerator. Put u is equal to sin x and du as cos x dx. But the numerator will become 2 du. Denominator will become 1 minus u into 1 plus u square. Now, again this problem can be done by means of integration by partial fraction. Let us try to take this 2 upon 1 minus u by 1 plus u square, which is a by 1 minus u into bu plus c upon 1 plus u square. Because 1 minus u is a linear factor, 1 plus u square is a irreducible quadratic factor. Now, multiply both sides by 1 minus u into 1 plus u square. You will get 2 times a into 1 plus u square plus bu plus c into 1 minus u. Now I am expanding it. Let me collect the coefficient of u square, u and constant. Equate the coefficient of u square. You will get a minus b is equal to 0. Then when you equate the coefficient of u, you will get b minus c is equal to 0. When you equate the constant, you will get a plus c is equal to 0. Where a plus c is equal to 2. Now you have to solve this equation by adding 1 plus 2. You will get the value of a, b, c and all. A is 1 and b is 1 and c is 1. Now here the interesting thing is, suppose if you have eliminated one of them, that is if you have got the value of a, then you will get the value of b and c continuously without any problem. Therefore 2 upon 1 minus u into 1 plus u square is equal to a upon 1 minus u into bu plus c by 1 plus u square. Now you are getting it as 1 minus u du plus u plus 1 by 1 plus u square into du. Now when you are integrating it, the integration of the first one is 1 by 1 minus u is minus log 1 minus u. Now there u plus 1 by 1 plus u square, we have split it into two integral, u upon 1 plus u square and 1 upon 1 plus u square. In the first integral we have multiplied and divided by 2 so that the numerator will become the differentiation of the denominator. Therefore, the second integral will become half into log of 1 plus u square. The third integral will become tan inverse of u. What you have to do now? You have to do the resubstitution. Minus log of 1 minus sin x plus half into log of 1 plus sin square plus tan inverse of sin x. Because u is sin x we started with. But it's a very simple problem. We did substitution. Problem got reduced to a problem of integration by partial fraction. Good. Let us go to second question from differential equation. Solve the differential equation x square minus y square into dx plus 2xy plus dy is equal to 0, given that y is equal to 1 and when x is equal to 1. CBSE 2008 question paper it is. Here all of you know that we have to identify whether this question is coming in homogeneous or whether it is in linear differential equation. Here the power of y is as 1. Let us now try by dividing the total equation by x square minus y square. Now it will become dy by dx as minus x square minus y square by 2xy. Now we are identifying here that the numerator degree is also 2, denominator degree is also 2. Therefore it is coming under homogeneous. Be careful whenever you are having this type of equation. When you see x square, the homogeneous equation should contain y square also, it should contain xy also. Then only it will become totally, every term will become a equation of having a homogeneous type. Okay, well, now you know what should be done for homogeneous. You have to put y is equal to vx and dy by dx as v plus x into dv by dx. I am substituting it, but remember you have to keep it in mind that on the right hand side, left hand side it is dy by dx is v plus x into dv by dx. On the right hand side only replace y, that is y by vx, y square as v square x square. I have done it. Now x square automatically will get cancelled on the right hand side. This keep it in mind. In all homogeneous problem, on the right hand side you will not get x. x square, x cube, anything is there, it will get cancelled. Now you are seeing that it will get cancelled now. Now bring that v to the right hand side. Now after inhomogeneous, what we are doing after the substitution, we are converting the problem into problem of variable separable. Therefore here I am subtracting it with v. Therefore by taking LCM as v, it is v square minus 1 minus 2v square by 2v. Therefore this is the final answer. That is x into dv by dx is equal to minus 1 minus v square upon 2v. Here on the left hand side you are having x and dv by dx. On the right hand side you are having only terms made up of v only. Now we are ready for doing variable separable. Bring that minus 1 minus v square by 2v to the left hand side and x upon dx to the right hand side. It will become like this. I am taking minus sign outside to keep everything ready. Therefore it will become 2v upon 1 plus v square will come to the left hand side into dv is equal to dx by x will go to the right hand side as, sorry, x upon dx will go to the right hand side as dx by x. Already there is a minus sign. Now do the integration now. Very simple integration, because in the left hand side it is numerator contain differentiation of the denominator, therefore log of 1 plus v square. Right hand side dx upon x, therefore log x. Now remember, in most of the book when you see, whenever both the integrations are leading to log, c is also will be taken as log c. But there is no condition like that. If you take it, then it will be easy for you to do simplification. But anyway, I have taken it as c only. Therefore I am replacing v by y by x. Therefore 1 plus y square by x square is equal to minus log x plus c. Now this solution is called a general solution. But this problem, they want a particular solution. What they want? They want the particular solution when given that y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. Very simple. In the whole equation, wherever y comes, replace it by 1. Wherever x comes, replace it by 1. Therefore you will get log of 2 is equal to minus log 1 plus c. Log 1 is 0. Therefore c is equal to log 2. Therefore put that c is equal to log 2 there. Therefore you will get log of 1 plus y square upon x square is equal to minus log x plus log 2. Now remember, again all of you know that again you can take right hand side log 2 minus log x can be written as log of 2 by x. Left hand side you know log can be cancelled. That also can be done by you. Therefore here you see very interesting question. Here after us identifying it as homogeneous, we continued. Let us go to a question from 2008 question paper on vectors. Vector a plus vector b plus vector c is equal to 0. Now remember, this will happen when these three vectors form the sides of a triangle. Anyway, I have given directly to you. Magnitude of vector a is given, magnitude of vector b is given, magnitude of vector c is given, and find the angle between vector a plus vector b. We are going to make use of our dot product idea here. How to do it? A plus b plus c is equal to 0. Then what is a plus b now? It is minus vector c by pushing vector c to the right hand side. Now I am doing dot product. A plus b dot a plus b is equal to minus c dot minus c. All of you know, whenever I am, because a plus b is also minus c, a plus b is also minus c. Now what is the dot product of the vector? Once again it will be magnitude of it. Anyway, if you I am showing you by expanding. When you expand it, it will be magnitude of a square plus 2 times a dot b plus magnitude of b square, right hand side magnitude of c square. Now the values which are given in the question, we will substitute it now. 3 square plus 2 into a dot b plus 5 square is equal to 7 square. Continue. Therefore we collect all the constants. Now let us use the formula for a dot b. What is the a dot b? It is a 2 into vector a into vector b into cos theta. Therefore you are getting the value of cos theta as 1 by 2. Therefore theta is equal to pi by 3. Now we got the angle between a and b as theta is equal to pi by 3. Now let us go to next question. Question number 4. This is a question from CBSE 2010, which is from 3 dimension. Find the distance between the points P659 and the plane determined by the point A 3 minus 1 2, B 5 2 4 and C minus 1 minus 1 6. Now first we have to find the equation of the plane. Then we have to find the distance of the point from the plane. Okay, let us continue. Now this plane is passing through. First point you take, form the equation. A into x minus 3 plus b into y plus 1 plus c into z minus 2 is equal to 0. Recollect, the equation of the plane passing through x1 y1 z1 is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Now the same plane which you have just framed now, it passes through 5 to 4, replace x by 5, y by 2 and z by 4, you will get the second equation. Again go to the third equation by making use of the point minus 1 minus 1 6. Again replace x by minus 1, y by minus 1, z by 6. You will get the third equation. Now we got three equations now. A into x minus 3 plus b into y plus 1 plus c into z minus 2 is equal to 0. 2a plus 3b plus 2c is equal to 0. Minus 4a plus 0b plus 4c is equal to 0. Now we can make use of the last two equation and you can get the value of ABC. But there is a method to get the equation of the plane directly also by meaning of this elimination process. Very simple. Now I have colored the coefficients of ABC from all the three equations. Please note down the coefficient of A, B, C from all the three equations. Now form a 3 cross determinant. Put the first row from the coefficient of ABC from the first equation, coefficient of ABC from the second equation in the second row, coefficient of ABC in the third equation from the third row is equal to 0. But this process is being done by making use of the properties only, but we are applying it directly. Now expand it. X minus 3 into a 2 cross 2 minus y plus 1 into a 2 cross 2 plus z minus 2 into a 2 cross 2 is equal to 0. Now I am expanding it. X minus 3 into 12 minus 0 minus of y plus 1 into 8 plus 8, z minus 2 into 0 plus 2, and I got the final answer as 12x minus 16y plus 12z minus 76 is equal to 0. Now this is the equation of the plane. Now sometime the equation of the plane, if the constants can be simplified, you can simplify it for future use. For I am dividing the whole equation by 4, it will become 3x minus 4y plus 3z minus 19 is equal to 0. What they have asked? They have asked the distance of the point from the plane. Now all of you know the formula for it. Very simple. Take the equation of the plane, check out whether the constant is in the left hand side. In the equation of the plane, replace x by the x coordinate of the point, y by the y coordinate of the point, z by z coordinate of the point minus the constant upon square root of coefficient of a square plus b square plus c square, the coefficient of x, y, z from the plane. Very simple. Numerator is 6, denominator is root 34. This formula we are directly applying after finding the equation of the plane. Let us move on to question number 5 from CBSE 2003 question paper, which is from probability. A speaks truth in 60% of the cases, B in 90%. In what percentage they likely to contradict? Contradict mean first one tell lie, second one tell truth, first one tell truth, second one tell lie, like that. Okay. All the possible cases we have to take. Very simple problem. Let E be the even that A is speaking the truth, and E bar will be the even A is not speaking the truth. It is given that 60%. Therefore, P of E is 60 by 100. I am keeping it as 6 by 10. I am not simplifying it further. P of E bar given as 1 minus P of E. All of you know. Not E means 1 minus P of that. It is 4 by 10. Similarly, I call F as the even, B is speaking the truth, and F bar be the not speaking. It is given 90%. Therefore, P of F is 9 by 10 and P of F bar is 1 by 10. Let us keep all of them ready. P of A and B contradict each other. What do you mean? A tell the truth, B tell lie, or A tell lie and B tells the truth. Where E and F are E bar and F. E and F bar are E bar and F. E means A telling truth and B tell lie F bar, or A tell lie E bar and B tell truth F. Therefore, this whenever and is come intersection, R is coming union, and we are seeing that these are mutually exclusive. For union can be put as plus. Then how to tackle the intersection? They are all what type of events? Independent events. Therefore multiply. Therefore P of E into P of F bar plus P of E bar into P of F. But now I am simply substituting the values. 6 by 10 into 1 by 10 plus 9 by 10 into 4 by 10. Numerator is 42, denominator is 100. Therefore 42 by 100 is nothing but 42%. Therefore A and B will contradict each other in 42% of the cases. Success is dependent on efforts. All the best. Thank you.